It's me, Leah, with a flashlight.
And me too.
This is about DC's father OC form that his father created by himself. Yes.
You ready to get going?
Yes. We're going to wienerschnitzel, and we're gonna eat lots of delicious hot dogs. So you're driving?
I'm driving.
Okay. Time for me to go in here. Hey guys, well, we're almost here. We made it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. We're gonna have food. Oh yeah, we got our food. Now.
That's it, everyone. It's got our food. It's time to go in.
Yes, everyone. Now, see you guys next time and subscribe to our channel. See ya.